Hey, it's Marco. We are at the Amazon Solution Provider Summit. I'm here with Krista,
Hello.
an event producer from Amazon. Krista, this was an awesome event, and so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your buttons.
Yeah.
This says, talk to me about, and then it's blank. Like, what was the inspiration behind this?
Yeah. A lot of times when we do events, especially corporate events, people feel a little bit uncomfortable going up and talking to new people.
Right.
And it's awkward, right? You don't really have something to bring up and talk to them about. And people were asking for more structured networking opportunities. And I was trying to find a way within budget. Obviously, you always have constraints of just finding ways to break the ice between people. And while things like networking bingo are fun, sometimes it's a little bit labor intensive. People forget about it. So I was looking up ideas. I found these cool buttons, this idea that I think I saw another event in the industry do. And basically super easy to put together.
Yeah.
Super low cost. And it made such a difference at the events. It's so much less awkward. You walk up to someone and immediately you have 3 new things that you can talk about, and you might find a new friend.
Yeah, I actually didn't fill one out, so I was embarrassed. But then I went to the networking reception, and people had talked to me about astrology and woodworking and travel. A lot of travel folks. So it was super effective. And I mean, did you receive great feedback on these? Because I certainly saw people using them just as intended.
Yeah, definitely. I think it's immediately your first thought is to talk about work. And it kind of opens things up. While some people might put work topics on the buttons, they can talk about their personal hobbies too in their personal life. So it just makes things a little bit less uncomfortable, and then you feel, just more pleasant at the event overall.
Yeah, no doubt. Well, hey, event planners, straight from Krista, to talk to me about super simple, lo-fi, and in budget. These are the kind of ideas that we can use at events around the country to bring people closer together and enhance that networking. Krista, thanks for spending some time with me.
Of course, always.
All right, from the Amazon Solution Provider Summit, thank you much, and cheers.